Hello and welcome to the Tigrepupbeauty channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a different way to style your wig using its own natural curl. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepupbeauty.
Okay, so right here I'm just giving you a 360 on my canvas wig block, what the hair is looking like. And right here is just me wearing the wig to demonstrate what it's looking like before we begin. This is the straight, smooth style that typically most people are wearing when they wear this particular style, graduated bob. And I want to experiment with something new, and so we can share that with you in this video. Okay, so first things first, I'm going in with just pure water and just wetting the hair really good in order to get the hair thoroughly moistened so that I can encourage the curl or wave pattern in the hair so that we can come up with our very own style. It takes a wig that actually has some type of wave or curl in it. I typically use this when I do this on my water wave wigs that I do have on sale. And I'm just doing it with this particular wig because I believe it's a body wave wig. If it's not, it's become a body wave wig. Maybe it's because I've put all the highlights and whatnot in it. But if your wig, it doesn't matter what it is, as long as it has some type of wave or curl going on, you could actually use this method to encourage waves and curls in order to get like a little bit more style as opposed to just having it straight and sleek all the time. It gives you an opportunity to try something new and add a little variety in your repertoire of hairstyles. Okay, so right here I'm just going to start sectioning the hair in what I want my ultimate overall look to be. So I'm just parting my hair and combing the hair in the direction that I want the ultimate style to be in. And after this, we're going to move on to the next step, which is using a thermal protectant because I want to make sure that we don't fry the hair and break it off anymore. So just keep watching. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, if you find my videos helpful or beneficial and you would like to make a contribution to my channel, please contribute to my Cash App. My link is in the description section down below. Thank you. Okay, so right here I'm just taking my towel to try to absorb as much of the moisture out of the hair because it's going to make the hair take a longer time to dry. But at the same time, I'm not trying to frizz the hair up. I'm just trying to like using the towel in order to scrunch the hair in order to encourage more wave and curl. So that's what you see me doing here. Right now I'm going in with my thermal protectant spray because we're going to use a little heat in order to get the hair to dry a little quicker as opposed to just air drying. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so up next I'm going in with my frizzies because we don't want any frizz in the overall style. So that's what you see me applying right now. Just adding a little bit in the palm of my hands, emulsifying that and applying it throughout the entire head. And I'm making sure I get in the interior, not just on the surface of the hair. And at the same time, I'm kind of scrunching the hair or trying to push and encourage curls and waves in the hair so that we can get the look that we're going for, which is its natural curly wavy look. Okay, so right here I'm just going in with a little bit of clear ice gel, and I'm going to use that also in order to defrizz the hair so that it won't be like a big frizzy poofy mess. So yeah, just using a little bit of gel as well, and making sure I emulsify it throughout the entire hair. And what it's going to do is clump those strands together so it won't be as frizzy or bushy looking when the final result is done. Okay, so right here I'm just going to comb the hair in the shape that I want the final look to be. Just trying to make sure I got everything where I want it to be, and scrunch the hair by encouraging curl and wave and stuff like that. So that's what you see me doing here. Just making sure I have everything going in the right direction. My tracks are covered along the top. So yeah, I've combed it smooth, and now I'm going to start scrunching the hair to encourage those curls and waves. Right here, I'm just lifting the hair off the lace because I didn't want it too flat along the top. I know a lot of people like it flat, but I want it lifted off the head so it can have more of a natural look. So that's what you see me doing here, kind of pinching it to lift it off of the scalp of the canvas wig block. Yeah, and encouraging more curl along the top, sides, and the back and stuff like that. So that's what you see me doing here. Hey, did you know I sell wigs? I sell 5x5 closure wigs of varying cap sizes, cuts, colors, styles, okay? And I'm going to be getting into lace frontal, but right now I'm just doing the closure wigs because it's easier to maintain and whatnot, and it's beginner friendly. So if you were in the market to purchase a closure wig, then please check out my webpage, as you can see at www.tpupbeauty.com. Tpup is short for Tigrepupbeauty, to make it a little bit easier instead of a long text. So check it out. Thanks for watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepupbeauty.
Okay, so now that I have the style finished in a way that I would prefer it to end, or the end result to be, I'm going to put it on this little dry head that's going to help me dry the hair a lot faster than air drying, because I just wanted it done really fast. I was kind of confused on whether or not I want to use a plastic cap on top of the head in order to make sure that the head and the cap is dry thoroughly. But by me spraying water on it, as opposed to like dunking it in water or shampoo and conditioner or whatever, it's going to dry a little bit faster than if the cap itself was wet, which it's not in this case. Okay, so I'm just preparing everything together and getting ready to dry the hair. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so right here I was considering using a plastic bag, but then I thought about it, and I thought maybe it's going to smush the hair along the top, which is not what I want. So I decided against that. So that's what you're going to see me dry the hair like this, and I'll be back for further commentary once it's all dry. Okay, so right here I'm just going with a little bit of pomade. This is a medium hold pomade to kind of like apply on the surface of the hair, and just a little bit on the end. So what I'm doing is take just a little bit, as you can see here, and I'm gonna emulsify it through my heads, and I'm going to use that to scrunch the hair at the ends, and that's supposed to reduce the frizziness, especially since the hair is color treated now. It kind of like tames it a little bit, if that makes any sense. So that's what you see me doing here, and I'm making sure I get the front, back, sides, and the top to kind of like smooth the top, so that we don't have all those little frizzies and stray hairs along the top. So that's what you see me doing here, and I'll be back for further commentary. Okay, so here's a reminder what the hair is looking like before we begin. It's the typical style in a straight, smooth look with a bit of a bump on the ends. And up next, we're going to see what our finished style looks like. Okay, so right here, I'm just giving you a 360 of what the hair looks like after we've scrunched the curls and the waves that are naturally in the hair. This gives you a little bit of styling versatility, so you're not stuck in a styling rut. And you can let me know in the comment section if this is something you would be interested in trying, and if you have, did you like the outcome? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepup beauty.